Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, so it's week 11 I guess of our weekly vlogs, and I think I've filmed my opening video in front of my room like this every time for the past like how many vlogs now. But today is Monday, and today's one of those days that I just have like a lot of things to do. I have a lot of videos to edit today, and since on Saturday I have been going through something. Guys, let me explain to you. Since on Saturday I've been trying to upload a video. If you follow me on Instagram, I've been trying to upload my drive with me video, which I did upload, but YouTube blocked it because of the copyright stuff he had on it. So I had to go back and re-edit it. After I re-edited it, I uploaded it again. It was still blocked. I had to now cut down some parts, blah blah blah, like all those editing stuff. I now re-uploaded it again. The third time when I was trying to re-upload it, guess what now happened? My network, God, Intel is you like. So the third time when I was trying to upload it, Intel now decided that no, that like they are bigger than me. I don't even know the words to use because I was so angry. I've been angry since then. So guys, throughout Saturday and all through Sunday yesterday, I've been trying to upload just this one video, and it did not work. I even went ahead because I was like, no problem, maybe Intel did. I don't have time for bad energy today. They should just stay away from me. I now went ahead to get MTN DM network. I bought data of how much? How many did I even buy data? I think 1,000 something data. Guys, this video did not upload. So my data went, my credit went, Intel 0. Everything was just 0. Everything was just like, the weekend was not just my weekend. I was just feeling so overwhelmed. Like a lot of things were just happening to me at the same time. I was just like, oh my god. Next thing, my laptop was now misbehaving again. I'm just like, God, why? Like, why? But today is Monday. I woke up starting this new day. I'm going to try and upload this video again today, and let's see what's going to happen. Hopefully it works today. But if it does not work, see, I don't know what I'm going to do again. But I hope you guys enjoy my video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and join the family, okay? But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Till I see you later.
A few inches later.
So now I need to clean my room, because my room, I don't know if you guys can see my room from my room is a disaster. My room is really dirty, like extremely dirty. So not dirty, before I can touch myself, it's scattered. Like I did laundry and I did not pack, and everything is just, all my clothes are everywhere. So that's what I'm going to do now. And yeah. Hey guys, I just finished cleaning my room now. I'm really tired, but I will start editing and try uploading my Saturday vlog I did not upload now. And I think, fingers crossed, it actually uploads and works today. So let's go edit and upload videos.
Three days later.
Hey guys, so it's Friday today and I am about to leave home now. It's currently like almost 3 o'clock. I'm going to Hawa's house. I've been trying to edit videos since morning. I haven't been able to achieve anything. I've just been watching movies. So I decided to go to Hawa's house now, since she has exams and she's being serious. So let me tap into her seriousness and try and edit, even if it's 2 videos. I have up to like 5 videos piled up, which I have not even started editing because I'm I've been procrastinating and watching movies and doing different things. So I'll see you guys when we get to Hawa's house. Serious girl. Education. Hi. Guys, can you see Hawa's face? This education is really draining. So guys, this is the main reason why I came to Hawa's house. So, because there's cake here. Aww.
Later.
So guys, I'm leaving Hawa's house now. I said she should come and say, guys, goodbye to you. She said she's shy. Can you see her? Oh my god, this guy is a character. Oh Lord, have mercy. She's saying she's shy. I don't know why she's shy.